Hello, everybody. Today, I would like to present for you an algorithm for finding of a square root of a number. For instance, we would like to find a square of the x of the a, which we call it x. Then we can write x2 minus a is equal 0. Especially, let's put x is equal to a function of gx when for x, if x is equal to root a, exactly x and gx is the same. And this is especially in the iterative manner, xn plus 1 is gxn. So we find new xn from the past xn, but if we find the function g. So this is what we would like to find is the function g, that it is iteratively approach x and to root a, especially n goes to infinite, x approach to root a. Then it is said that the iteration will be convergent. For instance, for root 2, we put again x2 equal a. Now we add another x2 to both sides. 2x2 is x2 plus a. And then x becomes half of the x plus a divided by x. This is the algorithm in order to find iteratively the root of a number like x, like a. So this iteration, we call it, the function is gx is this. So xn plus 1 obtained from gxn, that is the half of the xn plus a divided by xn. In this case, let's, for example, put a2 and starting with initial value of x0 equal 1. This initial value is very sensitive in order to go to convergence value. So x1, putting x0, 1 to this equation, and then find x1 from x0. So x0 is 1, 1 plus 2, a is 2 divided by 1. The result is 1.5 for x1. Again, put x1, 1.5 into this algorithm and find the x2. That after calculation become like this. Then using x2, put into the algorithm and find x3 like this. And again, find x4. We'll see that x5 here I calculated for you is almost the same as x chart is exactly, but of course it's to 6 decimal places rounding become like this. So this is correct for this. Of course, if n goes to infinite, it's a root 2. You can do it for any number, like find the root 10, and especially you can use MATLAB or other software for computer simulation to do this and enjoy it. And thank you very much for for this one.